This was our first trip of the year back in the camper, and we were so excited. We kept it close and tried a campground in a town only an hour and a half away. We had no expectations, just excitement to camp again after the winter. To our surprise, we had a swing overlooking the beautiful river steps away from our camper. And even better, literally right across the street, was a strawberry farm that, as you'll see, ended up being the highlight of our trip. Like on the inside.
Yeah, dark and spooky and wood.
Wow! Wow! Nick, you gotta come in here. It's really cool. Come in, Annabelle, come in. Okay, try to climb up it. Just try.
Holy cow.
My hand hurts because I fell.
I am standing straight up inside this tree. Wow. This is great.
I am inside of a tree right now. I just climbed up. Is that
Pretty cool, huh?
Show off.
Is it good? What did you like about this campground?
The swing and just being in the camper in general, and the ice cream and the swings and the seesaw and the tire swing. There's a lot of things I like about this campground. Oh, and the teepees are really cool.
Oh yeah.